Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to contact Starling Bank customer service. Now, I know that a lot of people are looking for this information because Starling Bank is a relatively new bank, and they might not be sure how to get in touch with them. So, I'm going to go over all the different ways that you can contact Starling Bank customer service. But before we get into that, let's talk about why you might need to contact Starling Bank customer service. There are a few reasons why you might need to contact them, such as if you have a question about your account, if you need to report a problem with your account, if you need to cancel your account, if you need to make a change to your account, if you need to get help with using the Starling Bank app. Now that we know why you might need to contact Starling Bank customer service, let's talk about how to do it. There are a few different ways to contact them, including the Starling Bank app. This is the fastest and easiest way to contact Starling Bank customer service. You can simply log into your app and tap on the help button. From there, you can choose to chat with a customer service representative or send them an email. Phone, you can call Starling Bank customer service at 020-7930-4450. They are available 24/7. Email, you can email Starling Bank customer service at help@starlingbank.com. Social media, you can contact Starling Bank customer service through their social media channels, such as Twitter and Facebook. Now that you know how to contact Starling Bank customer service, I want to share a few tips with you on how to get the best possible experience. Be patient. Starling Bank customer service can be busy at times, so you may need to wait on hold for a few minutes. Be polite. The customer service representatives are people too, and they will be more likely to help you if you are polite and respectful. Be clear and concise. When you are explaining your problem to a customer service representative, be sure to be clear and concise. This will help them to understand your problem and resolve it as quickly as possible. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And with that, I'll say goodbye for now. Thanks for watching.